be advised, I'm not a salon stylist, I'm not a barber, I'm not a master barber, I'm not professionally trained in using clippers. This is just a DIY, me trying it out on myself. Hey traders, it's me, Vicky of all trades. What's going on? It's 2021 and I'm about to do a little something with my hair. It's not growing as fast as I thought it was going to grow. So I decided to go ahead and do a tapered cut with my clippers. Yeah, the clippers. Yep, the clippers again. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to get started this time. I'm going to do it from scratch. So here you go. We got my little half, like it's just a piece of one of the capes that you get at the beauty salon. I didn't need the whole thing because it's always super hot in here, and it's March of 2021, so I didn't want to have to go all out of the way and do anything special. I'm just gonna taper my cut down because it's not growing fast. So I'm gonna measure it out for you, show you how long it is, and pick it out as well. So you can go through this process with me all in one slap. So I'm gonna pick it all out. I washed it. I did a co-wash the other day, so right now it's just kind of packed down from sleeping on it. The curls were nice and, curly. Can you see these curls? All I did was put the conditioner on it while it was super wet. And yeah, it was just that. It just curled up. So I didn't have to do a whole lot of anything to it. I use the sponge sometimes, but then that kind of tangles your hair, basically. And since it's still short, I didn't have to do a whole lot. It's like every time I go to the beauty supply store, I come back with something new. I don't go and buy the same stuff I already have unless it's broken. So I'm just gonna go through this and pick it out. Now I see why little boys don't like to go to the barbershop. Because they are not light with your head, and it's my own head, and it's not light either. That was too much. Okay, so I'm gonna measure it now. Put it in the middle of my head and see how long the middle is. And we got about, let's see, the top of this is at about 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. So the top is 2.5 inches. I think the sides are about the same because it wasn't even. It wasn't an even Steven. It's 2 inches. It's a little over 2 inches. It's a little over 2 inches on the right side, and on the left side is, let's see, the longest part of my hair is about 2.5 also. And the back, I don't know what this is gonna say. But I'm gonna have to let the camera do the work. The back is about, let's see if this camera can catch it. Okay, traders, here we go. Time to get the cutting. I've already picked it out. You saw me pick it out. I did the best that I could to make it even on both sides. I'm gonna use my clippers. I'm gonna put it on the clippers here and get started. I'm just gonna do a taper cut. I'm not touching the top at all. I'm just gonna trim these sides down and get them like in a style now, because it's just a fro right now. And I don't want just the fro. I want my stuff. But I know you're supposed to put it down directly on. I don't want it that short. Got a fro hop now. I have a fro hop now. I have not decided whether or not I'm going to do a fro hop or if I'm going to round it out in the back. Rounding it out versus just going straight back. I'll decide in a minute. I will decide in a minute. This is so awkward with the opposite hand. Out enough. Do this, pick it out. Make sure I'm getting the shape that I want. I am getting the shape that I want. I probably will not be doing a fro hop. Switching to the number 3 blade. So maybe I can put it directly to my head and don't cut away too much. Said I wasn't going to touch the top, so I got a fro hop right now. Let's even this out some down back here. Cut this off. Pick my hair out. Dust off my shoulders. And see what I'm looking like. See how even it is. Angle here, I can see I got a little fro hop. Let's see what's going on in the back. Oh no, it's kind of even. It's peeking. It's a little peak back there. Oh, it looks cute. I think I like that. Just even it out a little more, and I'm gonna be done. Okay, stage 2. Still got the number 3 guard on. I'm just gonna go around to the back and get this back trimmed up. Like I'm a professional. Pick it out, make sure it's like taking on the shape that I want. And I won't be wearing it picked out in the afro anyway, so I'm trying not to have to touch the top of my head. But we're gonna see how it looks. I wouldn't wear it picked out like this, especially now that I cut it and trimmed it up to a nice cute shape. So it's gonna definitely have to have some kind of curl, some kind of conditioner, some kind of something, whether I use the sponge or sit there and finger coil it or whatever. It's gonna do something. So this is what I'm playing around with right now. I'm gonna put on this right angle guard, the right angle guard, or the right ear guard. So I'm using the right guard on the left side of my head because that's the way I'm holding it. If you could only see my other hand doing this. And I am putting this directly to my head and get a low cut. And this left guard is going to help me do this side, going back. I'm only going back. I'm not going forward right now. I don't even know if I will cut it forward because I don't want to cut too much off. I'm using the #1 guard. I don't know if you can see this or not. Oh man, I'm sitting here talking to this camera and it ain't even on. But this is low, it's really small, look, in comparison to the other ones. So it's really close to the teeth that are cutting the hair. And what am I gonna do with this, you ask? Get this back, I guess. I don't even know. Cause I got my little side swoops to the doops, to the doops. To the side, to the side, to the side, so I don't want to cut anything else off on the front. I like it the way it is. So I'm going to go across the top here. I think the back is pretty much a good shape. It's round, but I want to see if I can get it so when it grows in, it grows with that shape. Okay, I'm gonna put a longer guard on it. I'm gonna put the 3 back on it. Just gonna try to round it out some more. So I think I'm done. I don't see a need to go through it again. It seems pretty even. I like the cut. I like the shape of it. So that's all it is right there, and that was really simple, and I'm glad I purchased these clippers. So here we are, the finished cut. This is so cute. I like this style, this cut on me. This is a really cute cut on me, and it makes me look so cute, and I don't have to wear earrings, look, and I don't have to wear makeup, look. No makeup, natural. See you later, traders.